In the vast forgotten expanses of the former USSR, silence reigns, where once the roar of engines and the clamor of industry defined an era. Today, we embark on a journey into these abandoned landscapes, a realm where crumbling concrete and rusted steel echo the stories of military might, industrial ambition, and the inexorable force of nature reclaiming its domain. Our voyage begins at the threshold of power. Overhead, vast airfields and deserted hangars stretch across the horizon. Once, these grounds hosted the squadron of old jet fighters, a proud symbol of a formidable military machine. Now, their silent frames and rusted exteriors tell a story of a bygone era, frozen in time. As we glide past abandoned airbases and long-forgotten radar stations, we're reminded of the fierce energy and technological prowess that once defined the USSR's ambitions. Each abandoned facility stands as a monument to the relentless pursuit of power, now left to the quiet solitude of history. Leaving behind the relics of military glory, our path winds through the heart of urban decay. Here, the scars of rapid industrialization and economic transformation are etched into every abandoned factory, crumbling warehouse, and deserted hospital. In sprawling ghost towns, where former military barracks and public spaces like once busy tennis courts now lie silent, the absence of human life is palpable. These ruins, captured in breathtaking 4K detail, reveal the dramatic contrast between the ambition of a once vibrant society and the slow, inevitable decay that time brings. They are not merely relics of neglect. They are the silent remnants of dreams that once reached for the sky. As we delve deeper, nature begins to assert its quiet dominion. Overgrown vines twist around broken windows, and wild grasses reclaim empty courtyards where industry once thrived. In serene moments, a solitary boat resting on fog-covered waters, or an abandoned highland silhouetted against a soft, early morning light, we witness nature's tender embrace. The interplay of decay and renewal is both haunting and beautiful, revealing that even in the midst of desolation, life finds a way. These scenes remind us that nature, patient and persistent, will ultimately weave its magic over the remnants of human endeavor. Yet, not all abandoned sites speak only of decay and renewal. Some stand as poignant memorials to tragedy and loss. In the shadow of the Chernobyl exclusion zone, abandoned radiation signs and desolate hospital corridors serve as stark reminders of catastrophe. The human cost of a technological and political gamble. These ghost towns, with their skeletal structures and empty streets, are silent witnesses to a day that altered countless lives. They invite us to pause and reflect on the fragility of progress, on how even the mightiest empires can fall victim to unforeseen calamities. In this landscape of ruins, moments of the surreal and the unexpected emerge. A mad clown dancing with an axe in the midst of an abandoned building offers a jarring yet strangely captivating spectacle. Elsewhere, an elegant figure in a flowing white dress stands amid decay. A striking contrast that transforms desolation into an unexpected canvas of art and emotion. These surreal encounters challenge our perceptions, inviting us to see beauty in the unlikeliest of places. They are a testament to the unpredictable ways in which creativity and mystery can manifest, even when all seems lost. Even as nature reclaims its territory and concrete succumbs to time, traces of human presence remain. A lone figure wandering through deserted corridors, a group of explorers venturing into a long-abandoned military radar station in the rugged Carpathian Mountains, or a tourist pausing to capture the haunting beauty of a ruined palace terrace. Each afar. These moments reflects the enduring human spirit. They remind us that behind every derelict structure lies a history of passion, struggle, and hope. In these fleeting moments, the past and present converge, urging us to consider the legacy we leave behind. From derelict factories and crumbling industrial zones to abandoned churches and deserted hotels, every fragment of this decaying tapestry invites a new perspective. As we soar over deserted castles on isolated islands, and explore the labyrinthine corridors of forgotten laboratories and abandoned aircraft on remote landscapes. We are offered a unique lens on history. These sites, though forsaken by time, serve as powerful metaphors for both the impermanence of human endeavor and the endless potential for renewal. They compel us to ask, what stories lie hidden in these ruins? And how can the echoes of the past inform our vision of the future? As dusk settles over this enigmatic realm, the interplay of light and shadow breathes a final life into these silent sentinels of history. The abandoned military bases, the ghostly remnants of urban life, the surreal and the serene, all converge to create a portrait of a world where time stands still yet continuously evolves. Each ruined building, each deserted space, is a chapter in the ongoing narrative of ambition, decline, and eventual rebirth. They speak to the enduring dialogue between human achievement and nature's gentle reclamation. A conversation that continues long after the final echoes of the past have faded. Join us as we traverse these forsaken landscapes, witnessing firsthand the silent majesty of abandoned places. In the remnants of the USSR, history is not merely preserved in stone and rust, but lives on in the delicate interplay of decay and rebirth. As night falls, and the last rays of sunlight dance across these timeless ruins, we are reminded that every end heralds a new beginning. In the quiet corridors of the past, the seeds of tomorrow are sown, inviting us to look beyond decay and find the promise of renewal in every forgotten corner. This is not just a journey through abandoned places. It is a journey through time, memory, and the enduring spirit of human resilience. Let the echoes of the past guide you as we explore the haunting, beautiful legacy of the USSR's forgotten realms.